Racing gas is started with by Forzaria. Break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside right here. Right now in the middle portion comes Elusive Cut. Z Senor comes next. Lakota Creek, Big Apple, Hot Shout. Then comes Safety's Gold, while Lucky Lorky is the early trailer and going along for the first turn by Forzari. Z Senor right here. Right now is on the outside. Elusive Cut in the middle. Big Apple comes next, then followed over by Lakota Creek. Hot Shout, then next on line now is Safety's Gold, while Lucky Lorky is still racing lens back to the leader. The lead now belongs to Elusive Cut. Si Senor is down on the inside by Forsari, and on the outside now is entry number 8, and this one is right here. Right now, Lakota Creek is racing in 5th at this moment. Hot Shout comes next. Big Apple, Safety's Gold, while Lucky Lorky is still racing lens. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have right here, right now, by about 3 lengths. Lakota Creek now in second. And on the outside comes Si Senor with about 100 meters of the race. We have right here, right now, followed by Lakota Creek. And finally right here, right now, Lakota Creek, Si Senor, Hot Shout, Lucky Lorky, Elusive Gun.